Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for university presentations. First, create a free Canva account to access all the tools. Then, explore the vast library of presentation templates to find one that suits your academic needs. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive editing interface, which makes customizing your slides straightforward and efficient. This initial setup will get you ready to design impactful presentations. Now, let's dive into designing your presentation. Select a template that aligns perfectly with your subject matter and academic style. Personalize your slides by adjusting colors, choosing appropriate fonts, and modifying backgrounds to create a cohesive look. Easily add and arrange text boxes for your content and integrate images to enhance visual appeal and clarity for your audience. To make your presentation truly stand out, leverage Canva's rich collection of visual elements. Browse the extensive photo library for high-quality images that support your points. Incorporate icons, shapes, and various charts to illustrate data and concepts effectively. You can also easily upload your own images, videos, or other media to personalize your slides even further and make them unique. Finally, it's time to prepare for delivery and sharing. Practice your presentation directly within Canva's presentation mode to ensure a smooth flow. When ready, download your finished work in various formats, such as PDF or PowerPoint, to suit your needs. You can also easily share your presentation with classmates for collaboration or send it directly to your professors for review, making teamwork simple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.